Students, how are you? Hope all are you fine. Then today we are going to discuss some more concentrations methods. So welcome to Chemistry Online. So today we are going to discuss some more expressing concentration of solutions. In previous class we discussed mass percent, volume percent, mass by volume percent, and ppm, parts per million. Now we are going to discuss molarity. We are going to discuss molarity. So what is molarity means? The number of moles present in 1 liter of the solution. The number of moles present in 1 liter or 1000 ml of the solution. The number of moles present in 1 liter or 1000 ml of the solution is called molarity. So, mathematical form. Mathematical form. Molarity equal to number of moles means N by volume of this solution is nothing but a V. Here N equal to weight by gram molecular weight. Weight by gram molecular weight. Number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute. Here you have to write number of moles of solute present in number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of the solution. Mathematical form is M equal to N by V. N is equal to weight by gram molecular weight. It is for solute. It is for solute. And then this is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by V in liters. 1 by V in liters. So this is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V in milliliters. V in milliliters. This is nothing but a molarity. This is nothing but a molarity. Molarity means the number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of the solution is called molarity. So molarity equal to N by V, number of moles. N means moles, V means volume. N equal to weight of the solute by gram molecular weight of the solute. Then substituting N equal to, so here substituting n value, here, then weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by V in liters, then m equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V in milliliters. When the volume is given in liters, you have to use this formula. When the volume is given in milliliters, you have to use this formula. Okay, so we will solve a problem on this. Okay, then problem: calculate the molarity of a solution containing, everyone should buy Telugu Academy textbooks. It is the problem we are doing, example 2.2, page number 38, textbook, example 2.2, page number 38, textbook, example 2.2. So calculate the molarity of a solution the molarity of a solution containing, calculate the molarity of a solution containing 5 grams of sodium hydroxide, 5 grams of sodium hydroxide in 450 ml of 450 ml solution. Solution. So this is the problem is given to us. Next, solve. Calculate the molarity of a solution containing 5 grams of sodium hydroxide present in 450 ml of the solution. Then from this problem you have to write data, what is given. Then sodium hydroxide is nothing but a solute. Weight of sodium hydroxide is equal to 5 grams. It is SOLUTE. Okay. Then you have to write gram molecular weight of sodium hydroxide. This is equal to sodium 23 plus oxygen 16 plus 1 equal to 40 grams per mole. 40 grams per mole. Then 450 ml of the solution means volume of solution is 450 ml. Volume of solution is 450 ml. Now molarity is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V in milliliters. Then weight is nothing but weight is nothing but 5 grams by gram molecular weight. This is a weight, this is a gram molecular weight, this is a volume. So weight, gram molecular weight 40 grams per mole by 1000 by 450, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 5 ones are 5 nines are 2 5s are 2 2s are, then 5 by 18, 5 by 18, 0.2, 50 means 18 2s are 36, 14 140 means 0.278 capital M. This is important problem. This is important problem for 2 marks. Okay. So molarity, weight of this solute is 5 grams given. Next molecular weight calculated 23 plus 16 like this. Volume of this solution is given. So volume of this solution is given. This is okay. Next substituted. Now molarity equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V in milliliters. Then on simplification you will get 5 by 18, 0.278 moles per liter. Okay, important problem it is. Capital M or moles per liter. Then molality. Then we will discuss molality. Okay. Now next one is nothing but molality. It is denoted by small m. What is the molality means? Here solute weight we have to take and solvent weight we have to take. Means the number of moles present in 1 kg of the solvent or 1000 grams of the solvent is called molality. The number of moles present in 1 kg or 1000 grams. The number of moles of solute, the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg or 1000 grams, 1 kg or 1000 grams of solvent solvent. So you have to underline this and you have to underline this. The number of moles of solute present in 1 kg or 1000 grams of the solvent is called molality. That is molarity. This is molality. Next, mathematical form. Mathematical form. Okay. Molality M equal to number of moles by weight of the solvent in kg. A in kg. A in kg. It is nothing but a solvent. It is nothing but a solvent. Then small n equal to, you know, weight by gram molecular weight. Then we are substituting this value in this. Small m is equal to weight solute by gram molecular weight of solute into 1 by A in kg. It is A equal to weight of the solvent in kg. A equal to weight of solvent. A equal to weight of a solvent. Then small m equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by A in grams. A in grams. This is the formula we are using for calculating molality. M equal to number of moles in 1000 grams of the solvent or number of moles in 1 kg of the solvent. Okay. Then we are going to discuss one problem. Okay. We are going to discuss a problem. Calculate this. See, this is a page number 39. Textbook, this is a page number 39. Example 2.3. 2.3. This is also important problem. Calculate molality of molality of 2.5 grams of ethanoic acid, 2.5 grams of ethanoic acid. Formula CH3COOH, ethanoic acid in 75 grams of benzene. In 75 grams of benzene, C6H6. Okay, this is the given problem. Solution: calculate molality of 2.5 grams of ethanoic acid in 75 grams of benzene. Here you have to know what is a solute, what is a solvent. Here solute, solute, solvent. Solvent. Solute is nothing but ethanoic acid. Weight of CH3COOH is 5 grams. Okay. Then gram molecular weight of CH3COOH. How many carbons? 2. 2 into 12, 24. Plus this is carbons. 2. 2 into 12, 24. Hydrogens 4. 4 into 1, 4. Oxygens 2 into 16, 32. So 10. Next 3, 4, 6. 60. So it is nothing but a gram molecular weight. Then solvent is nothing but a benzene. Weight of C6H6, 75 grams. So this is a solute weight, molecular weight, and it is a solvent. Now substitute molality equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by A in grams. So weight 5 grams by gram molecular weight 60 grams per mole. See, this is a grams per mole into 1000 by 75 grams. 75 grams. Grams cancel. Then 5 ones are here. 5 ones are 5 5s are. Okay. Then 0 0. 5 ones are 5 15s are. Then what happened? Then 5 3s are 5 20s are. Then 2 3s are 2 10s are. So 10 by 3. So 10 by 3 means so 10 by 9. So 10 by 3 3s are 9. 10 by 9 means you have to simplify and give the answer. Okay. Then that is 0.556. 0.556. This is 0.556. So you may cut this cancellation in your own way. Next, this is equal to weight means 5 grams by gram molecular weight 60 grams per mole into 1000 by 75 grams. Then it is nothing but so 0 0 cancel. This is equal to 0.556 small m means molal. Okay. Moles per kg or molal. This is the way. Solute and a solvent. Okay. So this is also a very important problem for 2 marks. Okay. So what is given here? Calculate molarity of 2.5 grams of ethanoic acid in 75 grams of benzene. So you have to take solute separately and solvent separately. So ethanoic acid is weight is less now, so it is a solute. So weight is more now, it is a solvent. So here weight of the solute is given 5 grams and gram molecular weight. See 12 plus 12 24, 24 plus 4 28, 28 plus 32 60 grams per mole. Then weight of the C6H6 75 grams. It is nothing but a solvent. So formula molality equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by A in grams. Then so this is 5 by 60. Then on simplification, so this grams is cancelled. Then 0 is cancelled. Then nothing but moles per kg. So this is, you may write here, moles per kg. Okay. This is today we discussed topics. What are the topics discussed today? So molarity, one more concentration method, problem. Next molality, one more concentration method, problem. So what is molarity? Number of moles present in 1 liter of the solution is called molarity. So molality means number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of the solvent is called molality. So that molarity means number of moles present in 1 liter. There we are taking volume. Molality means number of moles present in 1 kg of this solvent. Here we are taking weight of this solvent in kg. Weight of the solvent in kg. These two problems also important. From this chapter we are going to get 4 plus 2 now. So these problems are important for 2 marks. Okay. Then so this is the way, molarity and molality. So tomorrow we will discuss some more expressing concentration methods. Okay. So students, day to day you have to read chemistry. Otherwise, so if you deposit the chemistry, that will be very problem. So very less members got a 60 out of 60 in first year. So comparing to that, so second year is very difficult. So you have to do much hard work. Then only you will get what you are expecting. If you relax, then no future for you. So time to time. So you have to work on chemistry. Okay. Goodbye.